Yeah, got some stickers. Look from where? Oh yeah. Yeah. Some cool ass stickers. Got one that says base heads. One for my kinetic batteries. Got one for DC power, baby. Yeah. And I got some more, some doubles, duplicates. I want to thank EXO for telling me the website. I don't talk to him much. I need to get that dude's number. He's a cool ass dude. I watch all his videos. Yeah, so appreciate the help. Appreciate all the information that he provides. It's cool. Smart ass dude. Not dumb about anything. I'm pretty sure if you have any questions, I'm pretty sure he can answer them. Yeah, thanks EXO for posting up your things. It's cool. Thanks, dude. Later.